In this video, we're going to learn how to copy and paste track changes text and retain the track changes. Select the text with track changes you want to copy and press the Ctrl and F3 key on your keyboard. This cuts the text from its original location. Go to where you want to paste the track changes text and this time press Ctrl, Shift and F3 key. The text has been pasted with the track changes intact. Sometimes you may need to change the track changes view to all markup view. Thank you for watching and be sure to like this video, share it and subscribe for more.